If you've ever watched someone zip around effortlessly while you're struggling to keep up, you know how life-changing a good mobility scooter can be. These scooters aren't just practical, they're a game changer for freedom and independence, especially for people with mobility issues. But with so many options for mobility scooters in the market, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why, in this video, I'll be going over the top 6 best mobility scooters. Whether you're looking for the highest weight capacity, the most comfortable one, or the one with the best turning radius, I'll have something for everyone. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the EW-Wheels EW18 Stand and Ride 3-wheel scooter. This is the scooter with the best turning radius on our list and your new buddy for easy and fun travel. Besides being able to make sharp turns, these scooters have thick tires and a wide rear base, making them great for navigating rough terrains. It's a sleek, stylish scooter that lets you zip around effortlessly. This isn't your typical scooter. It's designed for comfort and convenience. You can either stand up or sit down on the comfy padded seat, which can be removed depending on what you prefer. Pretty cool, right? The EW18 is perfect for those quick trips to the grocery store, a stroll around the park, or even getting around school or campus or anywhere where you need silent, emission-free transportation. It's super easy to ride, with simple controls that anyone can master in no time. Plus, it's powered by a reliable 350-watt brushless hub motor, so you can cruise at speeds up to 15 miles per hour. You'll get where you're going fast and in style. The battery life of this scooter is also remarkable. You can ride up to 25 miles on a single charge, which will take around 4 to 6 hours. That means you can spend more time enjoying your ride and less time worrying about recharging. And when it's time to recharge, it's as simple as plugging it in overnight. This scooter is also built tough. It can handle up to 300 pounds, so it's great for a wide range of riders. Plus, it has a sturdy, no-slip deck to keep you safe and secure while riding. The E-Wheels EW18 Stand and Ride 3-wheel scooter is a versatile and convenient option for those looking for a compact and easy-to-maneuver scooter. Overall, it's a solid choice for short commutes and quick errands, offering a blend of practicality and performance. Number 5 is the EV Rider Transport AF Plus Deluxe Folding Electric Scooter. This scooter is best for travel and perfect for anyone looking for a lightweight, easy-to-use ride. This folding mobility scooter is so compact you can fit it in your car trunk or store it in a closet. So, when you're out and about and you're done roaming, you just hit a button on the remote and the scooter folds up all by itself. It's airline approved as well, so you can take it with you wherever you go. No hassle, no fuss. Perfect for travel, right? This scooter runs on a powerful lithium battery, giving you plenty of juice to get around. You can cruise up to 10 miles on a single charge, and recharging it is a breeze. Just plug it in overnight, and you're good to go the next day. The battery also allows you to have a front headlight and a tail light. This scooter folds up and unfolds automatically with a touch of a button, so if you have issues with your back, this scooter does it all by itself. In terms of comfort, this mobility scooter doesn't disappoint. It comes with a free tiller bag to keep your essentials handy, and the adjustable tiller lets you set it to the perfect height. The seat is padded for extra comfort, so even longer rides feel great. This thing is super lightweight. At just 44 pounds, it's super easy to lift and carry. Plus, it's built to last, with a strong frame that can handle up to 250 pounds. The design is sleek and modern, so you'll look good cruising around town. It also features electronic brakes that are very safe and help slow you down smoothly and safely once you let off the throttle. Also, it's got all the controls in one place. This unit is great for people with arm or wrist issues. You can even use it with one hand. It's that easy. Overall, the EV Rider Transport AF Plus is the way to go if you need a reliable, stylish, and super convenient scooter. Number 4 is the E-Wheels EW72 Bariatric 4-wheel scooter. It's a scooter with the highest weight capacity on our list. It's perfect for you if you need something sturdy and reliable for getting around. First off, this scooter is built tough. It can handle up to 500 pounds, so it's great for a wide range of people. With 4 wheels, you'll get a super smooth and stable ride, even on rougher surfaces. You can totally count on it for safety and comfort. The EW72 is packed with power. It has a 700-watt motor, letting you cruise up to 15 miles per hour. Plus, the battery life is awesome. You can ride up to 43 miles on a single charge. That means less time worrying about recharging and more time enjoying your ride. This four-wheel scooter works on all kinds of terrain, even indoors. It has all the essential accessories for both off-road and on-road riding. It's a great choice if you want a versatile mobility scooter. It also allows you to switch to reverse with a button on the console. Plus, your battery life and current speed are clearly visible on the dashboard too. With drum brakes on the front and rear wheels, this scooter gives excellent stopping power and control. You can slow down, maneuver around corners, or stop with ease. The front and rear brakes offer better balance, which most scooters don't have. This sleek mobility scooter also has two large storage compartments, one hidden under the seat and a basket on the back. These are perfect for groceries, a backpack, or a purse. It has ultra-bright LED headlights and rear lights for safety and visibility at night, and rear-view mirrors that help you see behind you. Comfort-wise, this scooter has got you covered. The seat is large and cushioned, with plenty of room to sit comfortably. It even has armrests and a backrest for extra support. The handlebars are easy to grip and the controls are super simple to use. Just hop on, press a few buttons, and you're off. It's also packed with features like a headlight, brake lights, and turn signals, so you'll be safe and visible. Overall, the eWheels EW72 Bariatric 4-wheel scooter is a versatile and reliable choice for those seeking a robust mobility solution. Its advanced features, including large storage compartments, bright LED lights, and excellent braking power, make it a safe and convenient option for people with mobility issues. And if you want to know the latest prices for the mobility scooters discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the Green Transporter Q Express Electric Mobility Scooter. This is the best two-person mobility scooter on our list. This thing is the most luxurious on the market and stands out from the rest. It's great for outdoor rides, and you won't have to worry about rain or the hot sun. First, the Q Express looks like a mini car. It's got this sleek, modern design that'll definitely turn heads. But it's not just about looks. It's super practical too. With a powerful motor, you can cruise up to 18 miles per hour, supporting up to 550 pounds, allowing you to travel comfortably with a companion. So, getting around town with a partner is possible. Its lighting system includes turn signals, taillights, and twin LED headlights with high and low beams, making it look like a small electric car. It has space for 2 people and a covered frame to protect you from the sun and bad weather. You can enjoy a comfortable ride in most weather conditions. This scooter is so easy to use. The controls are super simple, so you don't need to be a tech wizard to figure it out. Just hop on, twist the throttle, and you're off. It's got a nice, comfy seat and handlebars that adjust to fit you perfectly, making every ride enjoyable. The Q Express also has a great battery life. You can travel anywhere from 25 to 35 miles on a single charge, which is perfect for running errands or just exploring your neighborhood. When you need to recharge, it's as simple as plugging it in overnight. It also features storage space. It has a handy basket on the back, so you can carry your backpack, groceries, or whatever you need. Plus, it's lightweight and foldable, making it easy to store or transport in your car. This scooter is designed to make your ride better with advanced technology. Its LCD panel shows important info like speed, distance, and battery status. And with roll-down windows, a sunroof, and a rear window, this scooter lets in lots of natural light and provides great ventilation. This design also creates a cozy interior for passengers. Overall, the Green Transporter Q Express electric mobility scooter is a luxurious and high-tech option for those seeking a comfortable and stylish ride. Its advanced features, spacious design, and strong weight capacity make it an excellent choice for users who value both comfort and functionality. Number 2 is the Drive Medical Phoenix LT 4-wheel mobility scooter. This is the best value mobility scooter on our list. It's like the Ferrari of mobility aids, but way more practical. First off, it's got 4 wheels, which means it's super stable. You won't have to worry about tipping over when you're cruising around. And speaking of cruising, this bad boy can hold up to 350 pounds. One of the coolest features is how easy it is to steer. You can glide smoothly around corners like you're in a high-tech bumper car, but without the bumps. Plus, it's got a comfy seat that swivels, making it a breeze to get on and off. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Phoenix LT has a powerful battery that keeps you going for hours. And when you do need to charge, it's as simple as plugging in your phone. It runs for 15 miles on a single charge with a speed of up to 4 miles per hour. It also has a large, cushioned seat that's 17.5 inches wide and 17 inches deep with an option for a 20-inch wide seat. The seat swivels 360 degrees and has padded flip-up armrests, making it easy to get in and out. This portable scooter also features a bright LED headlight for safe night driving, a removable plastic basket, and interchangeable color panels in red and blue. It's a great choice for a portable mobility scooter. The design is sleek and modern, so you'll look stylish zipping around town. Whether you're heading to the store, visiting friends, or just exploring your neighborhood, this scooter makes every trip fun and easy. Overall, the Drive Medical Phoenix LT 4-wheel mobility scooter is your new best friend for getting around. It's reliable, comfortable, and super easy to use for seniors who love to travel and need a portable scooter. Number 1 is the Drive Medical Scout LT4 Compact Travel Power Scooter. This is the best overall scooter on our list. This scooter is like your ultimate sidekick for getting from place to place without any hassle. It's perfect for anyone who needs a little extra support but still wants to get out and about. This scooter is super compact. You can easily take it apart and put it in the trunk of your car, making it perfect for travel. It is FAA compliant, making airport travel and security checks easy. Whether you're going by air, on a road trip, or just need to take it to the mall, it's a piece of cake to transport. This lightweight power scooter is durable and can hold up to 300 pounds. The Scout LT has a responsive tiller for maximum control and a top speed of 4.25 miles per hour, so you can move around at a moderate pace without falling behind. Its four-wheel design allows for easy maneuvering in tight spaces. The scooter also has an anti-tip wheel to keep you safe on inclines and bumpy terrains. The seat is really comfy and swivels, so getting on and off is super easy. Plus, it has adjustable armrests and a basket on the front for your stuff, like your water bottle or shopping bags. Battery life? No problem! The Scout has a powerful battery that gives you plenty of drive time. And when you need to recharge, it's as simple as plugging it in at home. With its sleek and stylish design, you'll look cool cruising around town. Overall, the Drive Medical Scout Compact Travel Power Scooter is a reliable and comfortable option. It's super easy to use. It's perfect for anyone who wants to stay active and independent. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect mobility scooter much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. And be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.